Pinky's got a big surprise for Ratty. A whole bunch of new Sprunky toys. Of course, new is such a relative word. Still, he comes with a bunch of accessories. Like your very own Mr. Fun computer. He's popular, but he needs a little chemical X. Aw, they grow up so fast. Now he's a supercomputer. Plus, he's got a new blue sky just for you. And inside him is a brain? Penny for your thoughts? Either way, it's squishy. Hey, look at that. An egg. Hold it. We just need to supersize it. Hey, it's got binaria. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it's a giant cactus. Seems like a fun guy. I wonder if he's part mushroom. Hey, binaria. I think some introductions are in order. Actually, I think you two could be real close. That is, of course, if we make a few adjustments. Ooh, the computer comes with free refreshments. Just keep them away from the keyboard. Wow, after all this time, they joined forces. Can you imagine what they made together? Well, it's a liquid. I know. Let's go fishing. Should be easier than that barrel. We caught something. Hey, it's a tiny little sky. Is there anyone else in here? It's a little Simon. And he's lemon-scented. Ooh, tiny clucker and his tiny, tiny hat. Huh, fishing's thirsty work. Let's add some fizz and relax with a nice drink. Don't skimp on the bubbles. Hey, what else is in here? Wow, a mini vending machine. Doesn't seem empty. What are you waiting for? Toss a coin in. Try to buy a bunch if you can. After all, we've got company over. Hey, it's a Pinky box. I wonder what's inside. A Pinky toy, and she's got a need for speed. Just rev her up and watch her go. Ooh, do you think she'll stick the landing? Was there ever any doubt? And that's not all. She also comes with some shiny pink slime. Slime is already great on its own. But wait until you add the toppings. Just like pizza, so knead it like dough. Which is also pizza related. Sorry, I'll move on. Next up, it's a tiny Pinky copter. That Pinky, she's always got her head in the clouds. Ooh, Simon's ready for Halloween. But I think he could sure use a trim. Simon's been holding out on us. Just look at this toy. And we've got the perfect solution. Bubble solution. Come on, fill up the room. Bubbles for all. This next toy's pretty small, but give it time to grow. And inside, it's another tiny little box. It's a mini Pianosaurus bank, so it needs mini money. Now that's what I call service with a smile. Next up, we've got a dinosaur scoop. But why go digging up fossils when we can bring dinos back to life? But maybe we should cut them down to size. You must be this small to slide on down. And the best part, when you're done, you can go again. Next up, it looks like we've got a safe, and it's pink. It's locked. We gotta figure out the code. First, solve the matching Sprunki repo game on back. Looks like it's color-coded. We've cracked the code. Let's just hope it works. 3, 4, 5, right in order. How convenient. And look, we're rolling in semi-bots. But why don't we give them a spiffy Sprunky makeover? Ratty, Binaria, and Durple, but 2.0. Guess you can never have enough Pinky. Or Sky. Or Semi-Hemi. How far do you think it goes? We're reaching the center. A tiny Simon ball. It's just what we need for our toy maze. Let's take it for a spin. Avoid the hurdles. Quick, try the bridge. Just avoid that hole. Don't worry, you've got another life. Maybe Sky will have more luck. Or not. Okay, Pinky, it's your turn. Let's hope the third time's the charm. Careful about that bridge. You made it. It's Pinky's world. We're just living in it. Valentine's came early in Sprunky Land this year. Uh-oh, looks like Oren's about to blow. Detonation is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With Sprunkies, guess it's quantity over quality. Come on, let's check out all the commotion. Just look at our new Sprunky friends. They look so sad. Let's take them home. In fact, why don't we make a place just for them? This looks like a job for some cardboard. Wow, those colors remind me of Semi-Hemi. That's an idea. We'll make it look like Semi-Hemi. But, you know, mixed with a carnival attraction. Ooh, the corn tree is once again in bloom. Let's add some in and see what happens.
Wow!
But first, why not turn on the heat? Things are about to start popping around here. Popcorn!
Whoa.
Aim for the cup! The cup! Looks great. Where's the salt? Maybe some butter. Hold on, that's not for you. It's a Sprunky treat. Eat up, guys. Don't worry, we'll help you. Uh-oh, now they're thirsty, and we didn't even add salt. Why don't we whip up a drink stand? And who better to help than our old pal Coca? Of course, variety is the spice of life. Add a coin and pick your poison. Durfle's getting orange soda, a classic. Next up, some cola and lemon lime. Simon just loves citrus. Now green for red and red for green. Some Sprunkies gotta dance. They're maniacs on the floor. Okay, don't make us separate you two. Why don't we roll out the cardboard carpet? And whip you up a place to work out all your energy. But don't forget, we'll need something they can fit into. Something with a nice sprunky touch. It's Ratty, and he's electric. Huh, make that magnetic. Now he can put the go in go-karts. We could race these guys, but there's really nowhere to go. So why not lay back and enjoy the ride? Let's spruce things up around here. Uh-oh! Oh, calm down. It's only paint. Can't let it go to waste. Might as well finger paint. Decorate with hot glue for a nice woodsy look. Cover those holes with some spooky faces. Think of it as our carnival's haunted house. But a tree. So like a haunted tree house, sorta. Okay, got any takers? Ah, Ratty, try to kick a ball in. Wow, you got it in! And on your first try, too. And it looks like you started a new trend. Wow, they sure kick hard considering they don't have feet. Hey, that looks fun. Anyone up for horseback riding? Of course, where are we gonna get a pony? Sure, we could just sit and scream about it, or get crafty. Now, what part of the fair needs a nice, colorful top? I'll give you a hint. It also involves horses, plural. Rainbows aren't mandatory, but who doesn't like rainbows? Round and round you go. That's another hint. It's a carousel, but we still need the horses. I've heard about digging for treasure up there, but I never knew that it would actually work. Keep digging, we're gonna need more. Wonderful! Ready to take it for a spin.
Wow!
Come on down and pick a pony. Wow! It feels like you're floating on air. And these guys aren't even Pegasi. Aw, they all look so cute having fun. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons. Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes. Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie. Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some Sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too. Silly Alexis. Now where's he off to now? Big wheel keeps on turning. Hey, what's that smell? What pretty flowers. They make great paint, too. Why, there's enough for two. But what's she making? Want to make a trade? She needs a straw. That cup should come in handy, too. It's a new Ferris wheel. And look, Mr. Sun is the star of the show. Come on, guys. Who wants to go for a ride? Okay, everyone, line up. One Sprunky for each seat. Soon, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. But that's not the only wheel at the fair. Hey now, a wheel of fortune isn't cheap. Don't worry, we'll make you a place for all your coins. Why do I have the sudden urge to go to an arcade? It's a game of chance. Spin and see where it lands. A Labubu! And look, it's just your size, too. Who wants to go next? Okay, Ratty, it's your turn. You got a rock! The Charlie Brown special. Oh, good grief. Wow, have you ever seen a Waxus so excited before? Ooh, looks like you got the mystery box. Just what we always wanted. A button. Hey, who turned off the lights around here? Careful, things get spooky around here at night.
Okay.
Oh, calm down. It comes with an off switch. Aw, they're sorry they scared you. You can look now.
Wow.
And why wouldn't you? Everyone's having so much fun. Yeah, nothing beats a night at the amusement park. Still, we mustn't spend too long at the fair. Besides, let's get out of here before they hire some clowns. Aw, he'd probably have your nose, if he had one. Okay, fun's fun. Back to work.
What?
You need to unlock the locks. Don't cry. Maybe your Sprunky friends can help. Orin always gives a bit of himself. Ooh, looks like Orin's got a mini-me. Made of blocks, no less. Why don't you join the collection? Oren's such a sweetie. Literally, he's made of candy. Orange. It's the color and the flavor. And look, it comes with special dipping powder. And that's not all. This should get things bubbling. Ah, nice and fizzy. Bottoms up. That's a weird texture. Wait, it's a keychain. On to our next friend. Vinaria needs a makeover. Or does this count as pruning? We cleared the pus. Now for all this stuffing. Wow, there's a toy inside with treats. Still, I'd be careful if I were you. This brings new meaning to fast food. Aw, a butterfly, just like a cocoon. It's fun to catch these guys, but it's more fun to watch them go. What else is in here? It's the next keychain. Who's next? Ouch! Somebody's got teeth. It's like a baby shark. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Well, let's take a look inside and see what makes you tick. Slime? Or is that stuff just mucus? Let's keep digging. Ooh, now this looks promising. Look, twist it up and it changes shape. Now why don't we take it for a spin? Wow! Let's see what's next. Ooh, it's a squid. Do you think this was Sharkin's lunch? Either way, that's one stretchy calamari. Blow him up and see just how big he can go. Of course, the bigger they are, the more fun it is to pop. Hey, look, it's another keychain. Our next Sprunky friend could sure use a haircut. On second thought, some extensions wouldn't hurt. Let's see what you've got on your mind. It's Funbot! And look, he's very versatile. Always knew he'd be big someday. His place really is among the stars. Ooh, another sweet treat. Kind of an aftertaste. Maybe we should try another flavor. Now that's spicy! This one looks cool. But it tastes ice cold. Okay, that's enough candy. Ooh, free dentures. But more importantly, a keychain. Uh-oh, looks like Jevin's stuck in a sticky situation. Let's take a look inside. What big teeth you've got. And they're pretty strong, too. Ouch! Of course, it pays to have a stomach. Speaking of which, let's check that out next. Ooh, this is no ordinary pup. He makes dental care a lot more fun. Of course, an electric brush helps too. And I'm looking at a pair of teeth in need of a tune-up. Back and forth, and we're almost done. Look, a keychain. Ooh, and pay at the front desk. Next up, it's Wendy. She could use a trim. Look, mini versions of our Sprunky friends. And they're getting some serious air. Hold on, is that Wendy's brain? I've heard of the mind's eye before, but this is ridiculous. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh, a toy train. It comes complete with its own station. Not to mention the next keychain.
Yes!
Hey, Pinky, do you smell something off? Ew, let's clean this off before it gets infected. At least, let's clear off all these roaches. These things will outlive us all.
Wow!
Hey, she's got a lollipop toy in here.
What?
That's still not all. There's even more candy inside. She's sugar, spice, and everything nice. I wonder what else she's got in store for us. Wait a sec, her stuffing. It's cotton candy! And look, the next keychain's inside. Ooh, it's the last one we need, too.
Yay!
So, what's in the box anyway? It's a baby. Speaking of which, can we have ours back? All that's left to do is a quick switch.
Yes!
Looks like love is in the air in Sprunky Land. Complete with a few new faces. It's always easy to give out love. But getting it back is another story. Looks like the start of a new villain arc. Uh-oh, these happy couples don't look so happy. Time to play Cupid and save the day. Yes, a sandal! Black Sprunky's one weakness! That takes care of that. Now it's time for some matchmaking. But we have to find out which piece goes where. Look at the edges to see if they match. Let's see, Pinky and Oren, Maruna and Wyram, Wenda and Sky, Aqua and Simon. Throw in some sugar and we'd have lemonade. Love can be a puzzle, but it's very rewarding. Like these free Sprunky game bags. Mini games? Fun things come in small packages. Oh, poor Wenda. I didn't even know she was sick. But we're still in a puzzling mood. So, why don't we try to put her back together? Uh-oh, looks like Brud kicked the bucket. Literally. But I'm sure we can draw up a solution. Or we could just do this. Next up, it's gardening time. Take out the seed and plant it. Water it, but not too much now. It's garden. Talk about being in bloom. Now let's look at her better half. Sky. It looks like he's sharing a little bit of himself. And I guess Sky's got a heart for math. Need help? Don't worry, he also brought a calculator. Let's try it out. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 5? Ah, that's not right. Well, what else is in here? I'm gonna call these the Powerpuff pens. It's best to use pencils when doing math. Still trusting that calculator, it seems. Aqua, Simon, it's your turn. Ladies first. Feathers? Well, Aqua's got a soft touch. And she's got another Sprunky book for us. Looks like a dress-up game. Pick a Sprunky. Roll the die. Ooh, Aqua. Seems fitting. First, choose a nice aqua color. Now we need all the right accessories. Grab the eyes. A nice blue cut. And that groovy straw. Let's show off your new look. You're a born model. But she might get a little lonely by herself. Ooh, Simon? Now that's just cosmic. You know the bill. Pick the color and the features. And speaking of Simon, let's check out his heart. Open him up. Let's see what's inside. You know, something tells me it's something for Aqua's game. Look, he's got outfits for both of them. Let's see what Simon got. Ooh, a suit. After all, a model needs to look dapper. Now let's see what he's got for Aqua. Ooh, a white dress? A veil? Flowers? Let's bring these two closer together. Ah, you may now kiss the Sprunky. Aw, and now they've got a family. Ugh, I think we should change that diaper. Looks like you could use a bottle, too. Next up, it's Vineria and Ratty. Let's see what Vineria's got for us first. Oh, looks like Easter eggs. Let's try Durples first. Look, there's slime and tiny Sprunkies inside. We can make Durple and Sky pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun. I wonder what Ratty's got for us. Red's the color of love, after all. Ooh, pick a number. Any number. Your prize? It's a Ratty keychain. And it looks like he's in good company. Ratty and Vineria go together. It's just magnetic. Okay, let's see who else is here. Simon! And he's ready to rock and roll. Let's party! Aqua's got some custom bandages for us. Ooh, it's good to keep these guys on hand. Seriously, and they're great for foreheads too. The two that started it all, Pinky and Oren. Why don't we start with Pinky? The shiny streamers are a nice touch. Ooh, were you expecting us, Pinky? Well, it looks like she's expecting something. Oh, it's a Simon. Hold on, it looks like triplets. Did I say triplets? Make that sextuplets. Ooh, these are a bouncing bunch of babies. But I'm sure we can help them rest up. Hey, what's that? The sands of time? Oh, they grow up so fast, don't they? If only we could keep time in a bottle! But seriously, at this rate, they'll be older than Pinky. Speaking of which, where is she? I mean, she hasn't seen her kids in years. These sextuplets are septuagenarians. Now, why don't we check out Oren? Wow, look at all these pom-pom balls. Whatever's inside is all to pieces. I guess there's some assembly required. First, take this little bag and draw on this piece of paper. Make a mosaic and add to the bag. Next, add some black paint and seal it up. Save a little space to show your true colors. Next up, add that orange-style border. This project is really coming together. Don't forget Oren's headphones. Add the strap, and we'll have a new watch. Oh, good. It fits right on your arm. And you can make art right on your wrist. And that's not all. Open it up for a secret sketchbook. You can draw whatever your heart desires. Now, why don't we meet up with Maruna and Wyram? Ooh, it's like a bunch of maroon eggs. Maruna always shares a bit of herself. And look, she's a mini flip phone. Oh, great reception. But your friends are all here. Oh, they really like to go together, don't they? Next up, we should check out Wyram. It's a secret message. Ooh, a maze. Wow, candy! Talk about a secret stash. Let's hide these treats throughout the maze. Oh, guess Maruna is the guest of honor. Feel the burn, but don't forget to treat yourself. Oh, she saved the treats for everyone. Besides, we know what prize she really wants. The early bird gets the worm. And I guess the early worm gets the snacks. Hey, why don't you save some for the rest of us? You've got triplets! Wait, Mr. Black took all your money! How can we afford a party? Is this your venue? Well, it's cozy. It's okay. Everything's better with party hats. Besides, maybe we can whip up something with all this stuff. This cardboard can make a great 3-layer cake. Just don't forget the frosting. 1 layer for each of you.
Yay!
Add some candles so they can make a wish. Remember, you have to keep your wish secret.
Yeah.
Help this moment last forever with a photo. Uh-oh, it looks like you need to charge. You don't have your phone charger with you. That's okay. We'll just need to get creative. Like whipping up your own photo booth. After all, who doesn't love party photo booths? Come on, kids, step right in. There's plenty of room. We take cash and credit, also tokens. Careful with those silly faces. They might stay that way. Probably shouldn't have said anything. Why didn't you tell me the dancing started? Hey, what's this? Ooh, it's a toy car. Think it'll make a good birthday present? Maybe we should think outside the box. And by box, I mean cardboard. A whole cardboard play set. Lay down the tracks, and soon we're going places. Notice how you can't spell cardboard without car? And these speedsters are custom models. Come on, kids. It's time to play with your new toys. These cars don't run on gas, just your imagination. Oh no! Mom's about to take a little trip. Unfortunately, she's taking your new toy with her. Well, if these kids still have a need for speed, we can always make them their own set of wheels. Let's whip up your own wagon to ride. And it's gonna be a little blue coupe. Hey, it's Aqua. You think it runs on water? Ooh, Pinky's behind the steering wheel. But Mom's really the one in the driver's seat. Uh-oh, you hit a snag and ran out of fuel. Maybe this is why newborns usually don't drive. Calm down. If we don't have a gas station, we can make one. This place has got all the fuel you need. And our prices can't be beat. Try it out.
Hey!
Someone needs to push. Thanks, Simon. Oh, they dispense the gas for you, just like in New Jersey. Pretty soon, you'll all be on your way. A trip to the cinema's the perfect birthday treat. Need ticket money? Mom's got you covered. She'll make you your very own ATM. Granted, you could have just made tickets. But Ratty's gotta eat. Tickets, please. There's one for each of you. Find your seats. The show's about to start. But first, we gotta get the screen ready. We just need to get a spare lens. And of course, some handy-dandy cardboard. Now just pick a movie everyone will love. I'm hoping for something scary or a musical. Ooh, whatever this is, it seems like a fun watch. Of course, the important part's not the movie. It's the snacks you enjoy while watching said movie. So why don't we make you a popcorn machine? And look, Sky wants to help. He'll even add his personal touch. Now it's time to let those kernels flow. Would you like extra butter with that? There's more than enough to go around. Enjoy. There's more where that came from too. Uh-oh, you guys are making a big mess.
Wow.
I mean, it's kind of expected for a cinema floor. Still, we should make something to help clean up. Hope our Pinky vacuum's hungry. There's a big lunch. Just kidding. She prefers nachos. She saved the popcorn so Mama can have a treat too.
Yeah.
Hope you had a happy birthday. Just wait until next year. Uh-oh, looks like someone forgot to turn off the iron at Sprunki Hospital. Don't cry, guys. We'll figure it out. Quick, we need water. That's not quite what I meant. We need to get this new mama out of here. Your chariot awaits, madam. Now that's what I call an entrance. The doctor will see you now. But I think she needs a doc. Hi, Wenda. Ooh, I guess she's our new nurse. And she doubles as storage space. In fact, there's enough room in here to make a whole new clinic. The blue room will be perfect for a delivery room. She needs help, but we can draw up a solution. And it looks like we're keeping the Wenda theme going. Next up, we're gonna need some filling. And it'd be a shame to waste all this slime. Besides, Wenda could use a splash of color. Smush it up for a quick ultrasound. Wow, technology really is amazing! Looks like Pinky needs some medicine. The doc recommends 30 cc's of Sky. Looks good, but now let's roll it up. We need this medicine to work fast. Let's hope Pinky's not afraid of needles. 'Cause she's about to get the point. Don't worry, it's nap time soon anyway. Pinky deserves the best equipment. And if we don't have it, we'll just have to make some. Just don't forget to hook up the wiring. Speaking of which, don't forget to hook up Pinky too. Do we have any leftover wires? We can use them to make more stuff for Pinky. Unconscious people can't really ask for water. So Pinky's gonna need IVs for some electrolytes. Orange and green, her favorite. Besides pink, of course. You know, Pinky's really got a head for medicine. Just in time. Her vitals seem just right. Now, why don't we take a look inside? Growing up, I was told babies come from the cabbage patch. Still, it's nice to know cabbages are still involved. Aw, when you thought Pinkies couldn't get cuter. But it looks like your mama's still sleeping. Why don't we keep you safe and sound here? Next, we're gonna need some matchboxes. Now let's break for a little magic trick. First, a cover. Now for some drawers. Now empty this candy container. Break it up into a bunch of flat pieces. Now we can arrange it into a new shape. Can you tell what we're making? That's right! It's baby's first incubator. Aw, and just in time to meet Mama. Now you're gonna need baby furniture. Don't tell me, was Simon the designer? On second thought, something this cool belongs in a hospital. Now add some medicine. Some plants for atmosphere. And a minifig skeleton completes the room. Of course, modern doctors go digital. So we need to whip up a laptop. What, like it's hard? But why does this laptop look familiar? I know. Add a hat, and it's Mr. Fun Computer. Just in time, Oaxis wants to check his email. What's wrong? Forgot the Wi-Fi login? Oh, I see. We forgot to make a matching seat. Sit down. Besides, your next patient's here. Ooh, Ratty, you don't look so good. From a medical perspective, of course. Now fold up some paper and flatten it up. Next, fold it up like a great big smile. But what's better than a smile? A stethoscope. So, Ratty, let's see if your heart is working all right. Looks like we've already got a diagnosis. Of course, there's nothing a fuzzy kitty can't fix. Besides, the best medicine is always love. But actual medicine is pretty great too, so be prepared. Let's start with something topical. Grab a cotton swab. Here, this should take care of all those blemishes. Plus some pimple patches. I think those spikes are attached. But maybe we should roll up some toothpicks and paper. Bend it up and add a face on things. Simon's, in fact. Now, how about a trim? Why don't we ditch those spiders? Wow, Ratty, you look a lot better. But how do you feel? Itchy, it seems. Naughty, Ratty, don't scratch. Calm down. We'll make something to help you. Draw out a shape like this and cut it out. Sorry, Ratty, but it's the cone of shame for you. Ooh, looks like the clinic still has a spare room. Roll up some paper covered in pinkies. Don't forget to add a little love, too. Of course, hearts traditionally need some red. Good idea. Now you can really spread the love, as well as all of your favorite shapes. It's even better when they're scented. Next, let's make a bed, literally. You can guess who we've got in mind. Pinky! Now the new mama's got a suite all to herself. Okay, maybe not quite all to herself. Let's whip up something special for the baby. No need to make any wishes. We've got a lamp. So there's no need to be afraid of the dark. New mothers like their privacy. Some old ones too. You know, there's plenty of room in here to share. And Ratty deserves a nice rest after all he's been through. Let's check his diet plan to be safe. Hold on. Oh, you'd better be having a nightmare. Naughty, you've been sneaking sweets. We need something to keep your secret stash safe. And honestly, what's more safe than a safe? Let's just store your candy in here for now. At least until you're feeling better. Hey, don't be so red in the face. Never mind. Oh, what's going on now? Uh-oh! Ratty's burning up! He's red hot! Let's keep calm and check his temperature. Oh, just as we feared! He's got a fever! It's important to cool down and keep hydrated. And it looks like Nurse Aqua is here to help. She's your biggest fan, and it's cheaper than AC. Oh, it looks like everybody's getting top-notch treatment. Now, everyone, you all need a good night's rest. It's best to be rested when you get the bill.